Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Offroad rock sliders for the YJ Wrangler. Step 1. Using a 3/8 socket and a body clip remover tool, remove the fender flare extensions just in front of either door. Step 2. With a 16mm socket, remove your vehicle's 3 body bolts just below the body tub. With a car jack and block, raise the body off the frame about an inch or so. Loosely resecure the center body bolt, just enough so that it hangs unassisted. Step 3. Push the corresponding slider support bracket into place in between the body and the center body bolt bushing. The bracket should fit around the bolt. Lower the body back down onto the frame. Step 4. Using a combination of C-clamps and the jack and block, press up on the slider so that it's flush and tight with the tub as possible. With a marker, mark where the slider holes are onto the body. Remove the slider. Step 5. Hole punch the center of the markings and begin drilling out the bolt holes. Start with small pilot holes and work your way up to avoid excessive damage. Ensure the included bolts thread through. Replace the slider over the holes. Step 6. With the included Allen wrench and a 17mm socket, secure the slider by inserting a bolt followed by a washer and a hex nut into each hole. The forward bolt can only be accessed through the engine bay. Resecure all your body bolts and bushings. Repeat on the opposite side. Once all your hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road rock sliders for your YJ Wrangler.